Saturday.
Hi.
Hello YouTube, what's up? It's Thursday. Well, you can tell I'm like cold. The tub isn't working, it's cold. But it's okay, the sun is warm enough, so we're cool.
Cool. Get it?
So today's Hot Tub Thursday, we're gonna play a little game called the Tipsy Language Challenge. Usually people would go on their laptop, Google Translate words or phrases that they want the other person to guess.
Okay.
But we're kind of trying it differently because we know her. So I wrote down some phrases from Kapampangan and I'm gonna have her read and guess what they mean. And she did the same with
My language. Hmong.
they're all right there. So this is supposed to be a tipsy challenge. So we tried doing this tipsy, but I'm not sure we're getting there. So I'm getting there. It's hard to feel it.
Oh my. Is it really happening? Maybe in the middle of the game.
You go first. His first word or phrase is
Okay. Goongu. Goongu. Is the N silent? Goonagoo. Goo goot. The noun. It looks like nugget. It's just food.
it's a kind of food.
I think it's a banana.
Read it though, read it.
Nagoo nagoot. What is it?
This is gonna be a long video.
Oh my god. I don't know.
Mumut
What?
means coconut. What? Last word. Sound dog. Now John. Good morning.
No.
I'm hungry. I'm cold. Okay. Pow gasol.
No. Buchozo.
What?
Buchozo.
Poo chow zo.
Say
Right?
that again.
Poo
Bucho.
poo chow zo.
To sleep.
The hot tub is working now.
Mayap agapanampun. Mayap. Gapanapan. Mayap agapanapan. Mayap agapanapan. Let's go to the store. Okay, what is it? Good afternoon.
Okay, what is it?
Good afternoon.
It's Maya Agat Panap.
Yeah, see, I'm close.
Poof ulub pig your Kirby. My name is Kirby. Is it right?
The phrase is right. Gu,
Ku
lu,
lu
be,
be
yo.
ya ku lu hey ya Kirby. Ku lu hey ya Kirby. Ku lo hey ya Kirby.
Gulun be, yo.
Ku lo hey ya Kirby.
You're Kirby. Am I supposed to read this? Kalguranda.
Say it again.
Kalguranda. Kalaguranda. Kalagurandaka. Kalagurandaka. I'm from the United States. Kalagurandaka. Dog poop. Smells like dog poop. Give me a hint. Good night.
I love you.
Oh, say it to me.
Kalugurandaka.
Kalagurandaka.
What is this? This one is empty.
Oh my god.
Is it not- Another phrase.
Okay.
Ko zu cow. The cow.
Think outside of the box. It doesn't sound exactly how it's spelled.
Ko zu cow. Kod zu na couch. Kod zu na couch. Kod zu na cow. Na couch.
Say it to me. What do you say to me on a daily basis?
Calm down.
Oh my god, no, that's not what he said.
What? You look beautiful.
Yeah.
Kod zu cow.
Make you nice. Make you need.
Say it
Make you need.
Like,
Make you need. Come over here. McKenny.
Kenny. It's gone.
Mangan. Mangan. Mangan.
Wow.
Yay.
Mangan.
Mangan.
It's a verb or phrase.
To eat. Oh my god.
We've been ripped. Guy race. For all the Kapampangan and Tagalog speakers out there, this should be funny to you.
Asapu ke bola ing lalam na tete. Asapu ing bola ing lalam na ning tete. Ke bola ing lalam na ning tete. Asapu ke ing bola ing lalam na ning tete.
Good job.
I'm the best one around. Trying to figure out word for word. Something about big families. Bowl of rice. Ebola. Something about I watch soccer ball. Play soccer with my dog. Something about ball. I like to keep my ball up high.
This is cat. This is under.
I like to play ball under the bridge.
What did it say?
I like to catch ball under the bridge. Wow.
Asapuke ing bola kinalaman.
Asapuke. How is that funny?
This is a Kapampangan phrase, but in Tagalog, totally different. And in Tagalog, it sounds really dirty. Asapuke ing bola kinalaman.
That's so wrong.
See, that's like the difference between a language and a dialect. If Kapampangan is a dialect of Filipino, which many people think, then it shouldn't be like that.
So it's not a dialect.
It's a language. That's it for today's Hot Tub Thursday. But we might do this challenge again.
So before we let you go, we have a U-turn page.
To help us raise enough money so we can go on a mission trip to the Philippines to help those hit hard by Typhoon Haiyan.
Okay, see you next time.